This one is going to be a resident, and then the other one is going to be offices and what, and some let me say council hall. Only we are now just handling all the two structures.
The parliament
of Lango and
the residence of that residential.
So karukera ginen
Speaker.
So money man. Walk by you on the burger.
That will take a lot of even a number of secretariat for the Bondeo will be here. This is this structure to the extreme northeastern, but that one which is seated to the extreme northwestern, I see a complex building of Lango Cultural Foundation Council Hall. It is a complex with also a number of offices. I know the Cultural Foundation Council offices will also have its own secretariat that will run the day-to-day running of individual offices of each clan, and also the offices of...
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.